Want to finally get rid of microstutters? Does your game run at 200 FPS but feel like 40? Are your inputs delayed, your mouse feels floaty, or your audio crackles during gameplay? If so, you're dealing with DPC latency, the #1 hidden cause of stuttering on Windows 11. In this video, I'll show you the ultimate DPC latency fix. These are the same steps used by competitive players, streamers, and PC performance tuners. And today, I'm going to walk you through each fix and show you how to measure real system latency using LatencyMon so you can see before and after results instantly. 5 steps, no risk, no complicated hacks, just real, measurable latency reduction. Let's fix your PC.
Step 1. Measure your latency using LatencyMon. Critical. Before fixing anything, you need to know your actual DPC latency. The only trustworthy way to do this is with LatencyMon from Resplendence. This tool is widely used for diagnosing microstutters, deferred procedure call slowdowns, and driver-level performance problems that don't show up in Task Manager. How to use it. Open LatencyMon as administrator. Click Start to begin monitoring. Let it run for 5 to 10 minutes while you do normal everyday tasks, such as moving your mouse, opening Chrome or other apps, launching a game, watching a YouTube video or stream, switching between windows. LatencyMon will show you things like highest reported DPC latency, driver execution time, which drivers take too long, ISR latency, a list of drivers that could be causing pops, crackling, or in-game stuttering. What the indicators mean. Green bar is smooth and healthy. Yellow bar is borderline, may cause occasional stutters. Red bar is definitely causing microstutters or audio crackling. As a rule of thumb, if your latency spikes above around 2,000 microseconds, you're almost guaranteed to feel hiccups or frame pacing issues during gameplay. You'll run LatencyMon again at the end to compare results and see exactly how much latency we managed to remove.
Step 2. Fix the drivers that cause DPC hell. The one cause of DPC latency is outdated, corrupted, or misbehaving drivers. So now we fix them. Update these drivers first. GPU driver, AMD, NVIDIA. Chipset driver, audio driver, network driver, USB controller driver. These 4 are the most common causes of red spikes in LatencyMon. Update chipset drivers, important. Search your CPU brand, AMD chipset drivers, Intel chipset device software. Install them, restart. This fixes CPU interrupt handling for all cores. Update audio and network drivers. These 2 kill latency more than anything. Realtek Audio, Realtek LAN, Intel LAN, Killer NIC, Logitech drivers, SteelSeries GG, Razer Synapse. All of these can cause 4,000 microsecond spikes in LatencyMon. Optional, but highly effective. Uninstall bloated software. Razer Synapse, Logitech G Hub, Asus Armory Crate, MSI Dragon Center, NVIDIA HD Audio if using headset. These processes create constant interrupts which directly cause microstutter in-game. Once you've updated the drivers, run LatencyMon again. You should already see fewer spikes.
Step 3. Registry fixes for interrupt handling. Safe. Now we're going to reduce DPC latency at the Windows level by adjusting how the system handles interrupts and how background processor tasks behave. These changes fine-tune how Windows prioritizes timing, networking, and GPU scheduling, which can noticeably improve consistency in games. Open the Registry editor. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, press Enter. 1. Improve system timer priority. Go to this path, create or edit the following D word, IRQ8 priority. Set it to 1. This boosts the priority of the system timer, which directly helps smooth out frame pacing and reduces those tiny micro hitches you feel when turning the camera in games. 2. Stabilize network interrupts. Go to this path. Create a D-word. Processor throttle mode. Set it to 1. This setting helps keep network-related interrupts consistent rather than letting Windows throttle them. It's especially helpful in shooters like Apex, CS2, Fortnite, MW3, or anything where consistent packet timing actually matters. 3. Force hardware GPU scheduling. Go to this path. Create HW-SHIED mode. Set it to 2. This forces hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling, even on systems where Windows won't enable it by default. It reduces the delay between CPU and GPU task handoffs, which can shrink microstutters during heavy scenes or fast camera movement. After doing all 3, restart your PC. When you boot back up, you should feel noticeably smoother mouse movement, fewer tiny frame drops, and better overall pacing in almost every game you launch.
Step 4. Fix Windows 11 system latency. Power, USB, CPU. Windows 11 has a bunch of features that look helpful but cause stutters. Let's turn them off. Disable USB power saving. Open Device Manager. Go to Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click each USB root hub, Properties. Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This alone fixes mouse and keyboard microstutters for thousands of players. Disable CPU parking. Search Power Options. Go to Change Advanced Power Settings. Processor Power Management. Minimum Processor State 100%. Maximum Processor State 100%. This keeps Windows from downclocking your CPU during gameplay, which causes stutters. Turn off HPET, High Precision Event Timer. Search Device Manager. Expand System Devices. Right-click High Precision Event Timer. Disable. HPET causes massive DPC spikes on many systems. Restart your PC.
Step 5. Power fixes that completely remove microstutter. This power plan is crucial because default Windows power modes allow CPU droop, parking, and interrupt throttling. Install the Ultimate Performance Power Plan. Open CMD as administrator. Now open Control Panel, Power Options, select Ultimate Performance. This removes all background throttling. Optimize the plan. Most people miss this. Click Change Plan Settings, change Advanced Power Settings. Update these. Processor Power Management, Minimum Processor State 100%, Maximum 100%, System Cooling Policy Active. No more downclocking during gameplay. PCIe Express Link State Power Management, set to Off. Removes GPU latency caused by PCIe power savings. USB settings, USB Selective Suspend, set to Disabled. Eliminates USB spikes. Wireless adapter power saving, set to maximum performance. Fixes DPC spikes on gaming laptops or desktop Wi-Fi cards. Hard disk turn off hard disk after, set to 0 minutes, never. Prevents micro hitches caused by disk spin down. Multimedia settings, when playing video, set to maximum performance. Improves streaming and recording smoothness.
You just completed the full professional DPC latency optimization process, the same one PC technicians and competitive players use to eliminate microstuttering in any game. You measured latency using LatencyMon, fixed driver-level issues, optimized the registry, removed power throttling, stabilized USB and CPU interrupts,
fixed BIOS timing, and validated everything with real numbers. Your system will now feel smoother not only in games, but everywhere. Desktop animations, mouse input, audio, even video playback. Drop a comment and tell me your CPU, your GPU, your motherboard brand, and your before-after LatencyMon numbers. If you want an NVIDIA-only, AMD-only, or laptop-only version of this guide, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.